morning. Currently, we are on the second day of 52nd Dairy Exhibition and Conference, and currently we are at Prompt stall. We are having with us one of the partners of Prompt, Upjao. So, Upjao is actually using AI and cloud and data management to manage crops, livestock, and all. So, we are having with us Smith Mehta, co-founder of Upjao. So, hello, Smith sir, how are you?
All good. Good morning. Thank you so much for having me over here.
So, sir, how are you getting traction on the first and second day of this event?
The traction is really good over here. Customers are really basically the farmers are both in the industry of agriculture and dairy. So we came up with the product known as Upjao Easy and Easy 360, so that people can is get benefit of this products all the way from agriculture to dairy. And of course the traction is good, it is going good, and all the people over here are focusing on all the solutions end to end from cow to consumer.
So, Upjao has actually innovated a product for grain quality assessment with AI-driven technology. This product has been named Upjao EG. So, can you just tell more about this product, sir?
So nowadays what people look for is analyzing their product. Right now the farmer may be a trader or maybe procurement centers of all the grains.
Yes.
Those people don't know the quality of the grains they are procuring from.
Okay.
And so we have come up with three models: Upjao Ultra, Upjao Easy, and Upjao 360. And through this model, through this instruments, people can directly know the quality of their grains, whether it is maize, whether it is rice, whether it is wheat. For each and every commodity, there is a product where they can know each and every physical parameters of each and every grain.
So, how do you analyze the products details or products quality from Upjao EG?
So basically, let's say there is maize. If you want to know the product physical parameters of maize, we get to know sizing of maize. We get to know what is the starch inside it, what is the part of sizing, width and length. We get to know what is the how many are insect bite, how many are foreign materials into it, how many fungus are there into it. और ये पूरा report जो होता है, each and every report goes online on the dashboard. So any person tracking their supply chain can see on dashboard that this is the physical report.
Okay.
This is the physical report of the grains altogether.
So they have another innovations called Upjao Ultra. It digitally assesses the rice quality with ease. So what is but just tell more about that Upjao Ultra. So what is it?
So right now all the rice being traded in the market are being checked using their sizing. So the manual process takes almost 30 minutes or more than 30 minutes to check a sample of that rice batch. Instead, this machine takes only 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes to check the sizing accurately, and the accuracy of this model is more than 98%.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and so apart from sizing, it also checks the whiteness, the red stick. There are different parameters, physical parameters that are being used. So right now what happens, a manual process by a person takes 30 minutes or more than 30 minutes. They use a vernier caliper to measure the size of each and every grain of that sample. While in this model, Upjao Ultra, it only takes less than 2 minutes, and all the data similarly goes on the cloud. You can track which farmers has given what quality and average kernel size as well. On that average kernel size, the pricing are dependent on that parameter.
So you have used cutting edge technology related to Industry 4.0 such as AI and big data analysis
Yes.
in your instrument. So how are you getting acceptance in the Indian food processing market with these products, sir?
So of course, government is supporting this idea and this technology. So this is for the future technology, and now government are willing to get transparency as well as traceability in their agri commodity supply chain.
Okay.
As you know that we have already created many products for the dairy supply chain. Now we are coming up with the same with Upjao, all the products focusing on the agri commodity supply chain.
So are these machines just track or trace the adulteration also, and also these are as compliant with US FDA and FSSAI guidelines?
So all the products has a certificate from CFET that is needed for this product,
Okay.
and with which also claims to be having accuracy more than 98%.
Okay.
And that is the certificate needed for this digital solution. And yes, we have those solutions.
So apart from the farmers and the farmers, this segment will be this machines will be helping the procurement department also a lot. So coming on to the policy part, the India's food processing market is growing with a massive CAGR right now. So how do you see the government policies such as PLI scheme for food processing and industry helping the segment, the food processing domain, right?
So there's Food Corporation of India as well as civil state supplies, which are procuring all the MSPs commodities, and they are looking for this product in the future. How can they trace and transparent all the supply chain for the agri commodity?
So thank you for this candid interview, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.